The City and County of Denver Environmental Health Department provides environmental compliance services to 240 facilities in the Denver metro area. We provide regulatory compliance assistance regarding facility air emissions, water discharge permits, hazardous materials management, emergency response, and more. These facilities include cultural institutions such as the Denver Zoo, Denver Art Museum, and Denver Museum of Nature and Science, to our parks and recreation facilities, fire and police stations, and to city fleet maintenance garages. As part of our services to facilities for hazardous materials management, we aid in providing containers for recycling and disposal of universal waste used batteries. Since we work with such a broad client base, and to ensure accuracy in our sorting process, individual staff are not currently required to sort, tape, and bag batteries before placing them into bulk containers. Each facility is equipped with one or more bulk containers for used batteries. These typically consist of 14-gallon size pop-ups or 30-gallon steel drums. Drums are labeled for use by environmental health and provided to each facility for use by staff. Facility personnel are trained by environmental health on an annual basis, including how to manage their used batteries. Personnel are directed to place all mixed chemistry battery types, except large automotive batteries, into provided collection containers for short-term storage. When containers are full, personnel call the environmental health representative assigned to their facility for delivery of a new container and pickup of their used battery container. Several times throughout the year, environmental health staff arrange battery sorting events to properly sort the batteries by chemistry to maximize recycling options and fulfill regulatory requirements regarding appropriate disposal. The following battery types are those we handle on a regular basis. Currently, alkaline batteries are sent out via special profile to Denver Arapahoe Disposal Site, a waste management facility. The city is currently looking into options to recycle alkaline batteries, but up to the present time, cost has been prohibitive. Non-rechargeable lithium-ion batteries are sorted out and taped for shipment to an approved transport storage disposal facility. Terminals must be individually taped to satisfy DOT compliance requirements. Sealed lead-acid batteries. Once sorted, terminals are taped and individual batteries are placed into steel drums for transport. These are delivered to local battery recycling locations such as Hensley or Interstate who have the lead reclaimed for future use. This includes large automotive and heavy equipment batteries that are stored on pallets in our fleet garages until they are sent out for reclamation. Rechargeable batteries of all chemistry types are sorted from the mainstream and are individually bagged or their terminals are taped. The City of Denver currently has an agreement in place with Called Recycle, a vendor who provides the city free boxes and prepaid shipping labels. Thus, the city is able to recycle these batteries free of charge, other than the labor of collecting and sorting them out. Environmental health staff sort out the rechargeable batteries from the commingled collection drums, and after taping they are shipped to the Called Recycle facility for recycling. Occasionally, the city is required to dispose of wet cell batteries, those which contain free liquids. These must be separated and handled appropriately as a hazardous waste due to heavy metal contamination and potassium hydroxide. These are shipped off through our waste contractors after being taped, packed, and marked to satisfy transport and disposal requirements. Button cell or coin batteries, popularly used in watches, calculators, and small electronics, must be taped to prevent contact and the possible discharge of energy that could result in a fire during storage or transport. These are taped in large sheets using packing tape for efficiency and drummed separately for disposal. Once sorted, batteries are sealed in appropriate drums at our waste holding area until shipment. In 2013, the City of Denver handled just over 16,000 pounds of mixed chemistry used batteries. While the sorting process can be quite tedious and labor-intensive, it is a valuable service to ensure we are meeting regulatory requirements, keeping hazardous materials out of the landfill, and maximizing the recovery of valuable metals that could otherwise cause pollution.